A little bit of ambiance in the background. Add some text here. That's lovely. Hello, one and all. All in one, all in none. All of the above, none of the above. Much ado with love. It is your boy, Sporp, the original MF, as I've been known to be called. That guy, that man, that strapping, young, lean piece of mean machine. What we're gonna do, we will get this live here. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Yeah, live it up. And I'm gonna be doing as the schmiggity schmag, the title says, we're going to be doing some Leetcode problems. I've done some of Grind 75. I've just done a bunch of problems. I used to run coding tests for people when I was basically 2 jobs ago. And now I'm poking around again. There's been a couple roles that have looked interesting, so I'm interviewing again after taking some time out of the workforce. And what we're doing is we're just going to go through these. I'm going to put on a Pomodoro timer. Whatever the recommended time is for these questions, I'll put on that amount of time. We'll try to solve it, and if we can't, we can't. That's what it be. And that's what we're gonna do. So make sure I got all my stuff working here. There we go. Alright, we're live. We're going. I love that. I love Minecraft music so much. So, I've done a bunch of these, but, you know, it doesn't hurt to do them again. I hate this insert interval problem, but this O of 1 matrix, I've done it. I'm going to try not to cheat here. Cool. Oh. Turn down my desktop volume a little bit. Let me know if anyone out there in the Twitterverse here has any cues for me. Without further ado, let's pop on a timer. It says 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Timer's going. Let's go. So the distance between 2 adjacent cells is 1. Given an m by n binary matrix, mat, return the distance of the nearest 0 for each cell. So if I recall correctly, because like I said, I've done this problem a couple times, I have my matrix. And what I want to do is we're first going to traverse through the matrix, through the matrix I is equal to 0, I is less than that dot length, because this matrix is a 2D array, and it doesn't have to be this square format. Any of the directions can be. It could be rectangular. It doesn't have to be a perfect square. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to do the classic plus. I got my loops. I'm going to do one. I'll do the next. Let J, and I'm going to do mat of 0. And remember, since a matrix, an array, since it is, what am I talking about here? Since it is an array in JavaScript, the first element is it starts at 0, and then it extends until the length minus 1. So you're essentially counting starting at 0. So you cannot exceed the length of the array, and that's why you do this conditional check right here. The for loop says we have an integer, and we're going to run this operation after every loop of increasing this variable by 1 until we meet and exceed that condition. So I got my mat, and I'm going to say if mat of ij, if this is equal to 0, I need to wrap this in an if statement. As for the Minecraft world, I am absolutely lost. I haven't touched that world in nearly half a year. I got some diamond stuff, which is cool, but I'm kind of just forging out in the wilderness. And I remember this operation because this is all ones. I don't have to represent it exactly like that. It could be infinity lowercase. And the reason I'm doing this is I'm replacing every one of these it's always a little difficult translating the knowledge. That's when you know something, is when you're able to accurately explain it. But until you get to that point, you're kind of bumbling around in the darkness a little bit. But what I'm doing here is I'm going to have a queue, which is going to be all of my 0th. Okay. Whew. Just got a message about how a relative of mine and their ashes are going to get buried. Matrices. So I'm going to enqueue. This is going to be an array of ij. And what this means is I'm going to start with all zeros, and then I'm going to look in every direction from that place in the matrix. And if I see any infinities, I will take the current value, which is 0, and tack on 1. And that will that's essentially how the whole algorithm works. And 5 minutes down, we got the first part done here. So now we need to iterate through the queue. So while the queue has elements within it. I'm going to take the first element, which is it shift? I believe so. This is the issue of going between ortholinear and like staggered, is I keep swapping back and forth between my ergo docs and my laptop, and every single time that's not what I wrote. I want shift. Removes the first element and then returns the removed element. Changes the length of the array. Yes. Which is what I want, because shift. So I want to... The current coordinates will be... Well, I could actually destructure this as well. And so I'm taking this thing that I just pushed up here, and I am reformulating that into a coordinate value. And then I'm going to check the perimeter. I believe this is ortholinear, where it's only... Yeah, we don't count diagonals. So what that means is I'm going to be searching for all of these. This will be infinity. This first element will be checked. It'll go 0, 0. I can't increment these, so I skip. I go to the next element, because I believe I'm going kind of like that. Yeah, because I'm increasing. No, I'm increasing. It depends which way that the data is actually oriented. I think I'm going vertically, because the X is going and then as I go across the columns, I then hit the rows in each column. So then I would get to here. This would be infinity, and this would be infinity. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. And then I come down to here, I'm at 1, and this is infinity. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this should be 1, 1, 2. And I go ding, ding, ding. Then eventually come down to here. And every single time I add one of these, I also push this thing into the queue. And if it's less than the current value that I'm sitting at, I don't need to enqueue it. Cool, so I'm grabbing the coordinates. And then I need a bit of a check right here. So if x minus 1 is less than 0, well, I guess I can do a positive check here. Minus 1 is greater than 0. Yeah. There's no... It's always a little sloppy, in my opinion, in terms of how the code looks when I'm doing this. But I do recall this as well, which will be a series of, like, should look sort of like this, 0, 1. 1, 0. And I want these. -1, -1, 0. So I'm creating a just do x equals x plus. So this is my x and y coordinate here. And then if these are within bounds, to hold on to that XY. I could do x1, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Yeah, because this way I can do this. And this is the only issue of doing this x1, y1, x2, y2 thing, is keeping track of what's bigger or smaller. So this is my current position, and then this is my new position. If my new position is my new position is, I want to go x1. What's the exact condition I'm thinking about here? My new position is, so I'm at x1, y1, which is 0, and if I look at x2, y2, if my current position plus 1 is less than my new position, if it's infinity, or if it's been, yeah, it's been, then I want to set this, and then I want to enqueue double check that this is right. So I enqueue all my zeros, and then I set everything that is equal to 1, because this is a binary matrix, which means every single spot is either 0 or 1. Coordinates, and I say as I iterate through, I have my updated coordinates. So these are my new positions, and these are where I'm currently at. If the new positions aren't outside bounds, within my boundaries. And current position of this one is less than what's currently available at the map. I enqueue it, and then I have to check that new place because every single time I update a location, I need to see if it has changed the distances of its surrounding bits of the matrix. Huzzah! Alright. That's one down. I hate this insert interval question. But, so I finished with a decent amount of time left on the clock. Now, let's play a little Minecraft. Now, like I said, I ventured out into the wilderness here. I have no idea where I am. And we're gonna try to find our way back to civilization together because I think I had something pretty good going on. I should have. So I definitely would be able to if I really needed to. Because I know I have a... There's a spider there. If I really needed to, I could start mining. Looks like a light in the distance. Is that my home? It's been so long. It's hard to tell. Just messing up the natural fauna. That might just be that might just be lava. We'll see. If it's an entrance to... Yeah. But the good thing is, I should be able to find some redstone if I start digging, and then I'll be able to work my way home from there. Looks like there is a... I keep saying schmiggity schmag, and I know that's not correct. There is something going on there. I got a decent amount of health, I got some good... This is fun. Got some lapis. Might be a little hazardous to go down there, but yeah, no, yellow. Let's get the heck out of here. Oh, shit. Oh! I have no idea where I am, and I just lost so much stuff. Alright, well, home sweet home. I hope I saved something. Oh, that stinks. That stinks so bad for me. Still got some things, though. Got a lot of things. Okay. playing this for a while. Let's see if I can find those lily pads. Because I don't want to lose everything I got. Let's get some wood. Oh, hello. So, jeez. And one blank. Actually, that'll come in handy. For you. How we doing in the chat today? Your boy just lost 29 levels. And I'm not happy about it. This is a save I haven't loaded in, gosh, I want to say 6 months at this point. It's been a long time. My world is quite overgrown. And so if I could, and I would love to go find out where the heck I just lost all my stuff, because there was a diamond pickaxe in there, and I still got some diamonds actually. It's not the end of the world, but if I had the choice, I would like to get it back. Oh, so we're gonna, with just some very light stuff, go exploring. And I'm doing a bit of a Pomodoro thing right now. I have been alternating between doing some coding problems, because I've got a couple interviews coming up. Is it there? I don't think so. Maybe. I've been alternating between doing coding problems and playing a little Minecraft. If I see a string of lily pads, I'll know where I'm at, but oh, that's beautiful. A little coral reef. You know, I got my scuba license a couple years ago at this point. One of the most incredible things. If you ever get a chance to in life, I would 1000% recommend, scuba diving. Which isn't something you kind of just go out and do. But, you know. I'm not hopeful. I'm pretty sure I ventured out very far. Oh, what was that? What do we got going on over here? Kelp. That could have been from me, just plowing through kelp fields. If I could, and I would. Yeah, so I came from that direction, so I don't get lost again. I'll go wherever you will go, when I pry down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Oh, cool. So I still do have one of these. I'm pretty sure I got quite a few blaze rods. None of this is coming back to me. This is all very fresh. Haven't played this game in, like I said, ooh, I think I came through here. And my house is still that way. Who knows? Down low, I'll go wherever you will go. said, not hopeful. I don't envision that I'm gonna get my stuff back, which sucks. It hurts losing an enchanted diamond sword. Those pigs just chilling. Little dolphin action over there. One of my favorite stories about dolphins is I don't know if it was MK Ultra, but this one dolphin, they tried to see if they could get it to communicate telepathically. So this is on the Rooster Teeth podcast years and years ago, and it's a legit thing that you can go up and research. It's crazy. But a group of scientists had a woman handler in a house that was basically knee-high full of water. Oh, and I just did a loop and I came back home. Alright, well, guess we're hanging out here. It's a good thing to know that there's one ender gate over there. I think I built another one up here, maybe. Otherwise, I don't know why I just made a stairway to heaven over here. Yeah, that's a good spot for it. Way up high or down low. Yeah, okay, cool. I did make another one. Sick. Ooh. And some gold. I'll go where. So, I want to beat this game, and I've yet to see the end credits. Never killed the Ender Dragon, never finished. Started a lot of runs, and I've played online with some friends, but I always get a little bit bored, and then my interest peters out, and then I'm done. That's a lot of Ender stuff. But I'm not seeing a lot of blaze rods. Okay, here's my blaze rods. So now I need to find ender pearls. Nice. Way up high or down low, I'll go wherever. I don't like rotten flesh. Get out of there. Well, that would have been helpful before I committed Sudoku. Unbreaking 3, Cursive Binding. I don't want that. Magma Cream. Hilarious. Got some extra chests. Got a book. Got a buried treasure map. And I did lose a map, which sucks. I think I gotta go kill some Endermen. Do I have any iron? I do. I need more armor. And I'll keep the pants. So I can put on shoes if I want to go into the nether. Yeah, I can put that back now. Do I... I want a fortune. Huzzah! Yep, made my usual thing. Threw water at the bottom, yep. My favorite way to descend into the depths. Oh, it always makes me a little claustrophobic. Amigo Pingalito. What does that mean? Oh, Elemi, pero qué pasa? Let's see. En inglés. What's going on is I am doing a little bit of Minecraft, and I'm jumping back and forth between playing Minecraft and solving some coding problems because yo oh god, how do I yo tengo una entrevista de trabajo mañana, so I'm studying up and taking some taking some Minecraft breaks. Yo hablo un poco. Tomé algunas clases de español en la escuela secundaria. I think. Oh, this is fun. Sí, sí. Su objetivo es el estudiar y jugar Minecraft. Lo siento si estoy masacrando español. But hey, it's cool. Desde donde escribas. I'm gonna take a compass this time. Let's see what that means. Oh shit, we got some Portuguese in the chat now. Nunca falei português. I'm just gonna pop this in chat because there we go. Alright, so let's find. Trivia renders. Difficulty to hard. Okay. Let's go to hard. It is kind of cool that I can. Attempt to communicate to people who we've just never spoken each other's languages. That's crazy. Let's see about I hope at least some of this is translating. This is fun. So they said build a really high tower. Oh. Oh. How did chicken get in there? So that's the farm. do, do. So I want to get upstairs. Because allegedly. Dun, 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 dun. I want to find Enderman. Oh, I need some gold swag so I don't get effed up by those piggies. Well, I was just saying, it is what it is, man. I don't think that translates. I'm just hucking Google Translate in chat. This is really crazy. It's... I hope some of this is translating. Alright, so I think that's about it. Apparently if I go to an Ender Forest, I should be able to... actually, do I have any more? Bro, kom kar det on. Bro, start. Oh. I would appreciate that. Your English is probably absolutely better than my Portuguese, considering I don't speak it in the slightest. Now I understand. Okay. I'm glad you do, because I don't know how to explain it. Hello, goat. Alright. So, I got... Oh! That could be worse. We chill? Okay. So that's where it came from. Allegedly. If I find a forest in here. So I was digging that way for a while. It said if I do this, I might be able to find some ender in here. This is fun. Esqueci de falar inglês. Sounds a pigman. Yeah, if I could find a... That was the fortress where I got my blaze rods. What does a nether forest even look like? So this is where I came in from. Cool. I'm glad you're sticking around. Might get a little boring when we get to the coding thing if it's not your cup of tea. I'd love to find some Enderman. Since it's about nighttime, I should be able to... I'm scared the crap out of me. So let's get back to shelter. Take a nap. Then I'm gonna climb that mountain and see if I can spot any Endermen in the distance. Alright, we're gonna do Always fun getting a reminder of how you last bit the dust. Keep an eye out for Enderman. And then after this... That's a lot of cows. Let me know if you see any Endermen. A pretty wide expanse out here. Binoculars would be useful for this. That's some mountain goats. Oh, this is cool. Outcropping. We got my sea cows. I'm not seeing any yet. Zombie. Over here. Are you not seeing it? I'm pretty sure I'm streaming it. I'm trying to find Enderman. Shame they're not appearing. I think it'd be a little easier to spawn. No.
I'd say
I think this is right, but I typically have a sarcastic sense of humor. For me, I don't pretend to be anything that I'm not, and I'm okay with who I am and where I am. And sometimes it's self-deprecation, but other times it's just realistic. And in order to maintain my sanity, I just have to admit that there's things that I don't understand about this world. And I need to be okay with having that sort of gap. Is that just what it is sometimes? How do I find out? Wait for tree-like structures, Java Edition, yes. Let's see. Where are you at? Nope, that's not right. Sarcastic because when the music is sad, I had to do something. Gotta call my What's it like to live in the United States? It's got its perks and it's got its drawbacks. Might be a little easier to compare if I knew where you were coming from. But I like it. It's tough. A lot of people complain about healthcare, and the job market's pretty tough right now. I'm very blessed. I was able to get a computer engineering degree. I've worked as a software developer for a couple years now, and I took some time off to found and work on my own company. But it's a mixed bag. For some, it's the land of opportunity, and for some, yeah, it's not so. It's not so much. So what's a good way to succinctly what's it like to live in the United States? I like it. Oh. This is hilarious. Trying to communicate with some stranger for who knows where else in the world. I'm having fun. You having fun, chat? Can I get some W's in the chat for having a good time in the world of Minecraft? Yo. Got one coding problem down, but I think I will try to find that warped forest nether next. Not seeing any Enderman. Binoculars would be useful too. Do they have binoculars? No. Monocle? Telescope? Nope. Alright, let's find that warped forest. So, I said it was a small biome. Which direction haven't I gone yet? Gone left, gone right. Oh, you're gonna subscribe? Then I gotta do pull-ups. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Cam. Ah. A little tough to see. You should be able to. Let me see if I swap to the other cam, if that's better. Skibidoo-boo-da-boo. Game capture, no, webcam. Where are you at, webcam? Alright, well, let's just bring you over here. A little tough to see. One, two, three, four, five. All right. There we go. Beauty. You having fun? I'm having fun. How's it? I don't want to venture too far because I don't want to get lost. But it would be really chill. To find some enderman around here. This way before. Starting to get to that point. I will find my way back to the main world. And then we'll move on to the next code problem. See, I always get a ton of this anxiety around like non-deterministic goals. Here I'm trying to find Enderman, but they're a random drop. They're a random appearance. And that just irks me. Let's go hit the hay. Do I have any ender pearls at all? I'm gonna build a tower too. 32 blocks. And that way I can have a sort of overseeing tower. Should be nice. Let's hit the hay. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, why not? Let's go build a tower. Oh, let's go. Alright, let's replant these trees. Be good environmentalists. Try to at least bury the same number of trees that I cut down. That's all.
Excuse me, are you going to finish that croissant?
A little bit more space. There we go. There's the killing floor. Alright. So I think I have a something around here. There you are. Workbench. Gonna do a lot of this. Gonna do a lot of this, and that, and this, and that, and this. And that's not correct. There we go. How do I take half? So I wanted this to be 32 blocks high. $30. There we go. All right, 33. So I'm going to make cool. I'll make the lookout tower. I don't know what it is, but this song always just brings me to tears. I love this song so much. nice for a tower, isn't it? Alternating between playing games and solving coding problems. Ew, gross.
I was putting my phone in my pants. Gosh, that's completely PG.
Entirely.
Wait, are you streaming right now?
I told you I am.
I didn't hear you! Are there people there?
Yeah, there's some random Portuguese dude.
Hey, man.
How do you say hello?
Hola.
Hola.
So embarrassed.
Yep.
Can you see you playing?
Yeah.
You're so tall.
Yeah. Climbing high.
Can you hear him? Is he talking to you?
Sending some messages in the chat every now and again.
Okay.
Right. Bye.
I'm too camera shy for this.
I think you're doing great.
I stuck my phone down my
That's my girl.
I said I was gonna have a Twilight marathon.
You basic bee. I can't believe I'm gonna marry someone so basic.
Did I say anything else obscene? I can't remember.
I'm not paying attention.
Oh god. Internet's gonna sue me.
The internet's not gonna sue you. What? These as well. We are on the search for Enderman. Huzzah! I'm entirely out of. Where am I? There you are. Cool. Well, holler if you see something. My gosh. Change the game to hard for nothing. Actually, I have no idea how long I've been playing, but I bet it's too long. Here, you go here. Get down on it, down, 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 get down on it, down, 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 get down on it. Get down on it, get down on it, get down on it, down, down, down. Get down on it if you really want it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Down, down, dig it. If you really don't wanna dance. My back is on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off. I heard all my people saying, get down on it, down, down, down. Get down on it, down, down, down. Get down on it, down, down. And get down on it. All right. We're gonna take a break, and we are gonna jump back into code testing. So I just did that one. Binary tree order reverse traversal, insert intervals. I hate insert intervals. Min stack. Don't really want to do that one. I don't want to do any of these. I should do validate binary search tree. All right. Let's learn you something. So we're going to start with the root of a tree, and we need to return a Boolean value of whether the tree is valid or not. I leave it to the go. It is. And what that is trying to say is it's like you have your own TV show, and I have no idea if that translated or not. Cool. So I want to go to the validate the binary search tree. This is a 20-minute problem. We'll put that time on the clock. Got the timer going. So that's the right one. Left subtree only contains with less than the node's key. So at node, because I'm going to be doing a depth first search for this thing. At node either has children, has both children or no children. I'm going to have an is valid. I'm going to set that to true. That's going to be a Boolean value, and I will return. So the question is, all right, the number of the nodes in the tree is 1, so I don't have to go with the, I don't have to do the error check, essentially, which would be if not root. Return true. Simile. Yes. Cool. I'm learning Portuguese. This is fun. Learning JavaScript, learning Portuguese. Educational day. Okay. So I'm just gonna assume it's valid if it doesn't exist, because, alright, so we're gonna call this DFS, which will be a function that takes a node, and I just have to run this operation at every level. So I have to run this operation at every level, which is check if the current node is valid, and if every current node is valid, then the whole thing is valid. So if I say, all right, what am I doing here? So I don't need to make two booleans here. Checking if the left and right nodes exist, but I need to say either, yeah, at node either has both children or no children. So if not node dot left and not node dot right. So this is saying if the current node has no children, then it's that pathway is dead. We don't care about it anymore. We can skip that. And then I want to say, like I could, like I said, bust these out into their own Boolean variables so that it's just a little easier to read, but so it will be either, these will exist. They will either be null or a value, which is a node itself. So basically if I want to say if there's probably a better way to do this. And I don't need these parentheses, but I always like to have them. Cool. I don't need to dive down that any further. At any point, if is valid is false, and I could do another shortcut function there by only saying if valid is false. That's fine. Excuse me. All right, but I have a left and right child, which means so my current value so I need to compare my node.value. I think that's correct. This.val. All right. So this, we've already passed the checks of either I have no children or I only have a singular child. Now we've made it past these two code blocks. Node has two children. And we need to then do the check of the left child is less than the current child and the right child is greater than the current. So if node.val is less than no.left.val, and we've already confirmed that this exists because we've done these two checks where either we have no children or we only have one child. So when we get to here, the node absolutely has two children. And because the node has two children, I can then do the check of, is the current value greater than the left child? If so, then we continue. And if else, which we don't really need to do the else, we'll essentially shortcut here. And this is a good inversion pattern where instead of doing an if and an else, have an if condition that breaks the code block. So like, all right, we don't need this anymore, we just skip it. And if we make it past that if check, then we're continuing down the line, is valid. Is false, and then we return to some song. Oh, there's no sound? Dang. It says it's coming out. I'm checking my stream and it's working. You might want to check the noise coming from your phone. Your phone might be muted. Or maybe refresh the page. And we'll do the same thing with the right side. And we reverse the condition. So I have the stream on my phone. The right side. And we reverse the condition. So then I do a DFS of the left child, and then a DFS of the right. Allegedly, this should work. I got 10 minutes left. I probably thought, oh, I didn't fuck it up. Wow. Let's hit it. Oh, fingers crossed. Wrong answer. Output true, expected false. Oh, this has to be less than or equal, or greater than or equal. See, there's always little edge cases you gotta watch out for. Wrong answer. 0, -1. Output false, expected true. Interesting. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Right, must be binary search trees. So do I not need this? What am I doing wrong here? Let's see. Then you do this. Now this is not a great tidbit, but this is what I would like to call flailing. So I'm shortcutting. Dang. Huh? Is coming. Dang. That's unfortunate. I'm sorry, man. Wish I knew why. I'm doing something wrong here. Alright, valid BST. Let me finish up this problem because I only have 7 minutes left. Which one broke? Put true, and this should be false. Because this is 5, 4, 6. No. 3, 7. Valid BST. Why are you false? I don't want to tap out just yet. Why are you false? 'Cause I don't have... What is a valid BST? All the nodes in the left subtree have values less than... Right, because this 3 has to be greater than 5. So technically this should be over here. Okay. So all descendants. So if it's going left, then I need to have a cur min and a cur max. Jeez, I don't think I'm gonna get this in 4 minutes. Dang. I did do it before. You can see it. I did this 2 months ago. So either less than nodes with keys less than nodes key. Yeah. So this doesn't work because of that. I just don't know the secret sauce. Slam musical. So this needs a min and a max. Which will be... And every single time I traverse downward, I need to so it has to be are being updated. So if I'm going, I'm at 5. 5 comes in, not null. I have a left and right child. I keep going. So if I have a left child, it has to be less than the node val. And if I'm going left, that value can't exceed. Oh, jeez, what is it? I'm out of time. Damn. I think I'm gonna give myself a little extra time just to try to work this out. And this value, if I'm going left, dang, didn't make it. I didn't get the jab. Because the new max, if I'm going left, cannot be greater has to be less than greater than min. Damn. I'm calling it. Okay, that makes it a lot easier. So I always write with the min and the max. If node is null, return. Shit. Alright, so if every single position less than min or greater than max. So this is still fine. That sucks. Alright. I'll pop out an else here. If the node value is less than max and node dot value is greater than min, I go for a DFS here. I want to be able to explain why I do this too. So if I'm going left, the new max is my current value. If I'm going right, the new min is my current value. Now, why does this work? Wrong answer. Ugh. Greater than min, less than max. Greater than min, less than max. This is true. Greater than min, less than max. There we go. Cool. All right, I did it. Dang. Huzzah. Alright, that's another one in. So, at every position, so start at the binary tree. If it is, so if I'm going left, it has to be less than my current value is greater than min. Greater than min, less than max. So it is within my parameters of min and max. That sucks. So if I'm going left, the max is the parent. That is the to the right. If I'm going right, the minimum is the parent to the left. All right. Another problem done-ish. Stack, I should probably do that next. So I got my O1 matrix. Binary tree order traversal. Let's just jump into this one because we're already talking binary trees. Done this one before. So, level order. Level order. From left to right, level by level, which means we want to do breadth first search, which means a queue. Q is equal to and I have the same structure as before, so while Q at length is greater than 0, I'm iterating through the queue. Per node is equal to q dot shift, because I'm grabbing the thing. To bomb. Appreciate it. And I want my level also to be equal to, I guess, the root. So essentially for every level that I do, I want to push all the children. Okay. So then I say I'm at root, so if cur no dot left, then I do two things. I push this to the queue. Its node's values. Okay. So I want root.val. That's 920. So I can do a couple things here. I could keep track of the level that I'm at by doing a depth first search. Which actually might be the best way to do it, because I'm just more comfortable with depth first than breadth first. And as I'm descending, if I have a value at that place, so we'll just call this function PFS, and then we'll have the node, and then we'll have the level. We still have our level order right here. And if left. Or just return. I can just say so you can kind of pick up what I'm doing here. I just like depth first better. it. I think level order is just going to be a blank array because I want to do the same logic as I descend. Alright, so that's my traversal. I'm going down. Alright. What I can say is. If level order dot length is less than level. So my level starts at 0, so 0 plus 1. And what I essentially want to say is if I don't have enough elements in the array, add them, and if I do, push it. So oh my god. First try, baby! Look at that. There's probably better solutions that use breadth first search because then you still do have to keep track of level, but you're not pushing the binary search tree to the stack. Cool. Hell yeah, brother. What happens if I get rid of all this? Comments. Not a strong solution. But let's check out the best JavaScript solution. BFS. So this is what I was sort of doing beforehand. It says row. I love me some Minecraft music. Good stuff. All right, cool. So what's happening here? Oh, that's how they're doing it. Okay, cool. Q is equal to root. So I'm just gonna basically copy paste this, but write it out so that this is just a good way to commit something to memory. And it's good to rewrite some things as well, so that you just know what you're doing. Level length, level vowels equal to empty array. So I did get this correct. I'm just doing the more correct solution now. So what this means is every single time we go through this process right here where we have a level length which starts out as 1. Studio. So the reason the bomb, it's okay. Meet the bomb. And then I return. So might be a little, I'm still wrapping my head around this a little bit, but we start with pushing just one value to our queue, which is the root of our binary search tree. And this is our iterative loop so that we go through the whole tree. The length of the level, since for every node at our level, we get all their children and push them to the queue length. And we do this for every current level. Every current level child. As we're going across the level, we populate this level order, this level value array with all the values of that level. And when you're able to sort of explain code in plain text, that's when things get easiest. There we go. All right, sick. And I still got 4 minutes left. And if I run this should run a lot smoother because... Uh-oh. Q.shift. Ah. And of course I need... What are you doing? There we go. It's really not that much better. Cool. Did some work. Do some Minecraft. It's bright. Yes, I did mix it. So bright with the sun in my eyes. Oh, there's my Enderman. There he is. My boy. My boy, I must kill my boy. Get over here. There he is. There he is. Get over here. Get back here. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's juking me. What is that nonsense? Come here. Come here, buddy. There we go. Ah, no pearl. Dang. No dice. Muy frustrating. I should get a... Do love the llamas. That sun is right in my eyes. That's better. How we doing out there? Can I get a what? What? So right now, I've never beaten Minecraft. I'm alternating between playing a little Minecraft. Geiger counter? And doing some coding problems because I have an interview tomorrow. So I just want to freshen up and be ready. And also I'm trying to farm Enderman. Not having much luck though finding those nether forests. There. Pop playtime. Poppy playtime. Oh God. Da boom. I love that. Spawned. I'll bust out a new pickaxe. I really want to farm if I could and get some experience so I can enchant my pickaxe. They do like to spawn over here. Mountain goat. Something just ate it over there. Take another nap. Good night, my cowboy. Alright, let's go make a new pickaxe. Deposit all this useless. I did get a lot of netherrack here. Let's move this tier here. Like I got all these blaze rods. I almost have enough to enchant something. I'm breaking 3. That would be great. So let's go kill some mobs. It would be really cool if I knew where that I should grab a shield actually, since I lost it in the fire. compass is pretty useless to me. What did it say? Breaking one. Eh, not terrible. Fortune one. Should get a new one of these too. Was it HK? Oop. If I could get this to unbreaking one, that would be ideal. Yes. Let's check our high tower yet again. Oh, I should actually get some meat before I go on my expedition. I don't think I need kelp for anything. Any more Enderman? No. Isn't there a zoom button? Kelp. There you go. That'll do. Yum, 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 yum. Let's don't need you, or you. That. Alright. This should be pretty good for the nether. Don't think I need an axe. Oh, the fire charge. What are you doing over there? Uno, dos, tres. Oh my god. Oh, that's real communication right there. 5, 6, How similar is counting in Portuguese to Spanish? Siete, Ocho! It's cool as I have this whole fortress here, but... Let's go! Yes! Count those numbers. We did it. We made it to 10. 10 out of 10. 11! Oh my god, it's still going. Ah! Up! No, you fucked up. You broke it. You broke the chain. Now we're just doing numbers. I'm gonna need better coordination in chat. This is... Are we going backwards now? What is happening? I'm on the edge of my seat here. Ten. What is going on? 14? You people. This is chaos. We've officially landed in a chaotic place. $16. $16, $17, $18. How deep does this rabbit hole go? $20. Oh my god, we're still going. 21. 21. 21. 21. 21. 21. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. Anyone else see that whole 21 Savage just ripping off? Oh, who was it? Aiden, right? That was crazy. Trying to keep an eye out for Enderman. Oh my god, we made it to 28. Can we hit 30? Can we get a 30 in the chat? $29. We're so close. I am on the edge of my seat. And there we are. We've hit it. We have officially taken off, gentlemen. Oh my god, 31. Chat is going bananas. What is happening? I'm now right. 33. No! Bad! No! You put 32 in there right now. How dare you? Oh, he is ready to roll. And I'm out of... Hell. Where's 32? What happened to that magical 32? We're just... This is all over the place. I can't believe this is happening right now. Ugh. Any Minecrafters out there got any hot tips for finding a... Oh, what is it called? A warped forest? Can't find her. Oh my god, 42. The magic number.
Mm-hmm.
43. And if there's any fans of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, that is one of my all-time favorite books. Whoa. We dead? How much battery we got left on this thing? Let's recharge my camera. $46. What has this world come to? Oh. And we got another subscription. We are in it. Oh, jeez. There we go. And since I got another sub, it is time for 5 more pull-ups. I can get my freaking camera working. Let's see. Pause that, get that. 47. And climbing. And we're climbing. Come on now. Alright, well, that's not working great. We'll just use this. My setup is quite scuffed right now, so you might not be able to actually see this. This is seriously scuffed. Uh-oh. Oh my god, I'm a tangled mess right now. Alright, let's grab this. 53. How high can we go, chat? This is for my subscriber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's get you back in your cage, chat. Back in your cage where you belong. Chat, stop fighting me. Chat, you need to go to your space. Go to your hole. Go to your hole, chat. Alright. We back online? We doing it? Nope. Have I ruined everything? Have I broken my entire setup? There we go. Come on. There you are. Come on now. Oh my god. Table overhead. Yeah, USB. There we go. Holy crap. You've almost reached my age. You're so close. I am such an old man. Alright. 62. 63. And if anyone has any recommendations of how to better find Enderman than whatever I'm fumbling around and doing right now, it would be very appreciated. I'm not doing a good job. I guess I'll just slaughter all my cows. 65. I've officially crossed the threshold. I can sign up for AARP and get a ton of senior discounts. I am so hyped for that. Whoop. Get out of here. To get to the end, I gotta get engine pearls and find out where that portal is. So we gotta do things one step at a time here. Unless you have a better recommendation of how to get to the end. The best number, there we go. You found out how old I am. I'm 69 years old. Let's go. Let's go. Hang on, we're not excited enough for this. There we go. Let's go. 69. We did it, chat. And we're climbing. And we're climbing. Let's go. I can feel it, chat. Oh, actually, a ton of steak. We're gonna find an Enderman. And we're gonna slaughter that guy. Standing on my feet, and I'm trying to leave me. Yeah. Oh shit. Get out of here. Still climbing. We're climbing numbers, we're climbing towers. Let's go. Anyone else ever just eat a loaf of bread on a ladder? Or is it just me? Oh my god. It doesn't stop. How high can we go, chat? Nice. Good numbers. I like big numbers, people. I'm seeing good big numbers. Nothing gets me more excited than big, big numbers. Salaries. What else? Miles per hour. Gas mileage. Various measurements. Oh yeah. Oh, we're making it. Keep pumping those numbers. Let's go. We're trying to find this guy. We want this guy, and I need high numbers to find him. He doesn't appear just for little itsy bitsy 2-digit numbers. We need 3-digit numbers. My butthole just tightened up right there. I thought I was gonna just eat lava. Alright, we're almost there. Torches. Alright, we're almost there. We're so close. Come on, chat. Come on. Come on, let's go. Yes! 100! Yes! Wow! You feel it, chat. Do you feel it? Offered Sigma. Boys! Making the dream happen. Oh, and we're climbing still. We're not done yet. It's not over. It ain't over. Oh, I'm getting tingles. These numbers are making me tingly. Who needs food? You can spawn light. It's the only thing that matters. Hey, offer. Hey! No! Bad! Stop that! Knock that off right now, mister. That is not allowed. We count by ones. This is a plus community. Get that shit out of here. Bad. No. You're disgracing the community. How dare you? Offer, I'm gonna find you IRL if you don't cut this nonsense out. This is nonsense, and I'm not having any of it. Sigma, we're tight. We're cool. Offer. I'm thinking of that one meme with like my friendship with Offer has ended. Me and Sigma are the only bros in this chat. What is that? What is that? What are you doing? Bad offer. This offer's not gonna last. It's like you're listing class numbers. I don't like it. Alright, that is officially wrong. Blue fire. What does that mean? It's something different. I never liked the nether. Offer, I'm gonna have to talk with your parents after school. I'm not a fan of this. I don't like what's going on here. You're a bad influence on the rest of the chat. Knock that off, mister. This second. Oh shit. Oh shit. did not see him coming. No, eat the steak. Don't guard. Eat steak. Eat steak. Eat the steak. No. Offer, you're out of control. I don't like this. You have too much freedom. I'm gonna rein you in. Sigma, I appreciate the work that you're putting in here. It's thankless work. We're counting. We're going. Thank you. Offer, there you go. We're back on track, people. We're back on track. We're going the right way. Direction's been corrected. Things are moving. Things are moving properly. All is right with the universe. Is that blue fire for some reason? I don't get that. Quite honestly, I'm intimidated and scared. There's a spooky boy down there. Offer, I swear to God. I'm at it with your shit. This needs to end now. You're a bad influence on the community. I'll be so... Yeah, you tell him, Sigma. I got your back. He put his ass in line. That is insane how that just put him right in his place. Crazy. Ooh, alright, that's a good one. There we go. Alright, we're climbing again. Pumping big numbers. Big, huge, large numbers. I like seeing it. Offer, I'm gonna hold you for detention. I will ban you. Hang on. I wanna hear the spooky music. We're getting big numbers here. I like seeing those big numbers. 130. Can we get to 150? Is it even possible? Try not to bust challenge. Can we count to 150? Alright, we're going. We're moving. We're moving. Alright, I think what's on the docket is getting close to dinner time, so I might do 1 or 2 more coding problems. Yeah, 134. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Good numbers. Good, big, huge numbers. Offered. It's like you're doing it on purpose. Come on. Is this? What is this? Break. Get out of here. I don't got time for none of that. Offer? No. Bad. Ooh. That's spooky. Spooky. Scary. Ah, I don't like. Okay. Alright. Alright, alright. Okay. Oh. Whoop. 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 Stop that. Knock it off. Just allow that there. Those things creep me out to no end. Alright, we're at 140. We're at 140. Can we get to 150? Is it physically possible? We're climbing. Big, huge numbers. They're going up. Those numbers are climbing. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Alright, 142, 142, 142. Alright. Music stopped. Back to drifting. Climbing. We're going. We're moving. I'm liking it. Ideally, I'm trying to get past that lava. I'm trying to dig through as much redstone as possible. We're so close. We're so close. I can't believe we've grown so much together. We've accomplished so much. Yes, we're almost there. We're so close. Oh, we're so close. Almost made it. Is it physically possible? Can chat count to 150? What are you doing? Are you trying to hack my chat? Is that what you're doing, Offer? So close. We're so close. Bedrock. We did it. We've accomplished everything. We've done it. Oh my god, and we're still going. That's shocking. Big, big, huge numbers. I love seeing it. Beautiful. What did I even do with this? Where is it going? Face me, demon! I don't give a hoot! You will die by my sword! Ow. Oh, this is spooky, but it's not quite what I'm looking for. This? Oh my god, and we're climbing still. Whoop. Come here. Alright, so we found skeletons. Alright. The Offer, you do know what you know what to do. You know how to play by the rules. Play it right. Alright, you both jumped. Hey. No. Bad. We count legitimately. We don't count cards in this establishment. Oh, that's funny. That's really funny. subtracting numbers. It's like this thing has no rhyme or reason to it at all. Oh, who's that? Why would you do no? Don't do that. Don't do that to somebody. That's not cool. Oh my god. Is that an Enderman? Did I find Enderman? This is it. We're not far. Where'd he go? He was just here. Oh. Oh, jeez. Can use you down. Yeah, I love. It's called Eurobeat, I think. Oh no! Don't leak my password. No, why would you leak my password offer? I'm gonna get hacked. Yeah, what I'm playing right now is this playlist right here. I love Eurobeat, and I'm so sick. Alright, let's see if it... We have the same password! It's crazy. Cool. We're password buddies. That's crazy. I'm gonna reclaim my stuff. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I don't even remember. Get back there, but I really don't want to lose my pickaxe. Feel that energy, chat? It's all up to this. I don't know if this is the right one. I think it is. Joke or not, it's funny. I hope no one's stealing stuff, man. No one sucks. Oh my god, I don't... Can we make it to 200? Can this chat count to 200? Oh, I have no gold on. I don't want to aggro everything. But this is not the way that I went before. I hate this game so much. Where's my spot? Where'd I go? You should probably change your password. That's so funny. So, professional software developer opinion here. Maybe add an ampersand in there somewhere. Oh. Nope. I need gold armor. 180. We've made a 180. I think my stuff is just lost. Oh, God. I'm not good at this game. We got some numbers in this chat. We're going on a suicide mission here. I will not. I've done a little bit of messing around with, the Onion network before. I haven't, there's always those dumps of, kind of the kooky crazy sites. And I peruse a little bit, but I've tried to maintain at least some level of internet innocence over the years. There's certain things I know I don't need to see, and I can vicariously experience them from friends and from family. And my life will be fine. It'll be just fine. What's the wildest thing you've seen on the internet? I've seen some. I got some. Oh, parsley is the right term for it. I've seen some shit. Lively. Oh my! Are you getting overtaken? Is Sigma getting taken over on the track? Yeah, we gotta make it to 200 before this stream ends. We got him. No excuses. No mercy. I want to see 200 in that chat tonight. It's also possible that Sigma's battery on his phone died. Might be why he had to rescind himself. I hope not. Poor guy. That would be not great. This is my field house. Yes, eat the fire away. Okay. No, there is. Nether music. I won't speak over the nether music. Do you like my car? Oh, that's different. Gas, don't step on the gas tonight. Be your lover. Yeah. Should have brought a pickaxe too. I'm not smart about that. But that torch is amazing. There we go. Hey! You skipped one. That's not allowed. Oh! Ah! Alright. Back to the main purpose of the stream. Let's do one more coding problem. And then I will call it. Level traversal, I did that one. Okay, closest place to the origin. Stat. Schedule. All right. Stack should define things. So I'm not using Visual Studio because this is an online testing platform called Leetcode. If you're gonna get them, if you're gonna like test yourself for code interviews, this is a good site to do it, and it runs the code in browser. So it's kind of an all-in-one platform. I do use Visual Studio Code for my actual like work and for the web apps that I've made. I use Visual Studio Code. Tried Vim a little bit. Not my favorite thing. Alright. So it looks like meat stack. Initializes the template. I think that's why I do this. I think this is what I want. This isn't gonna work, but I'm not really familiar with this sort of syntax, the prototype.push. I use a lot of TypeScript. I appreciate it, thank you, but I'm alright. I find Visual Studio Code pretty much has everything that I need at this point. Like, the extensions are pretty good. I don't know, I use a bit of a basic B sort of stack, which is React front ends, TypeScript, JavaScript back ends, and Postgres databases. And for my use case, it's totally fine. I don't need anything grander than VS Code. I appreciate it. It's very kind of you to offer. How do I access this stack? I never use it. I use like TypeScript classes. Right, TypeScript? Aha! That's not correct. Aha! It's not getting anything. Push. Constructor, I don't think I need anything. Stack that push. This will do this, that stack. Push down. And let's just make sure that this is working. Do you code offer? He's probably gonna complain about this. Okay. Yep, that works. Top of the stack. And I believe the stack goes down, so this should be... ChatGPT has been a godsend. C Sharp, nice. Do you do any Unity too? C Sharp's a great choice of a language to start out with because it's vaguely Java-esque. It's good to start on something that is typed, just so that you are enforced to use proper types from the beginning. I picked up C Sharp for a while because I did a bunch of Unity projects. Oh no. What are you doing? Ah. No. Zero works. Not getting in. The thing that's killing me right now is the O of 1. So basic B solution would be let min equal infinity. And then I would iterate through the stack. If S is less than min is equal to S, and then return min. But this is an O of 1, which means I need some way to, like, this works, but it's not what the test case is looking for. I'm not doing this correctly. Pushes the element down at the top of the stack, gets the top element of the stack, retrieves the minimum element in stack. Retrieve. Well, here's the question: is this? Oh yeah, so for some reason this isn't clearing. Let's see what's going on here. So like I said, this is the basic B solution. I'm a little confused about what the structure of this is looking for. So, let's not punish ourselves. Let's just take a quick peek. Ah.
Were you thinking, tell me to change my game? This style wasn't going anywhere. It was kaput. Don't you see what I've done with this place? This whole thing? Don't you see that I've changed the game? No, I am the game. Before I knew where this was going, I would listen to you. Right now, I distance myself from whatever you have to say. I made this something way bigger than you were ever going to be. I made it this far, and I'm taking it to the top. I came out from the bottom and into the top. For the first time, I feel alive. I can fly like an eagle, strike like a hawk. Do you think you can survive? I came out from the bottom and into the top. For the first time, I feel alive.
Stack and stack I gotta pause the music for a second. Interesting. All right. Oh, one for each function. What are we talking about here? Well, let's just min stack. So first pop, second pop. So these are right. Okay. I think I'm just a little confused about what it's asking for. See, that's what I thought. It's a descending list. Okay, see, this is what I was thinking about. There's got to be some sort of algorithm in here. I hate these questions. Ugh. All right. Well, let's get this to function first. What's wild is this pop function isn't working. Because I thought... Okay. Because it should be push and pop. Like, I'm a little confused as to why this isn't functioning. In stack, push on a 2, done. Push on. Delete. Okay, so it's LIFO, last in, first out. So this should be stack.pop, and this should be stack.length -1. So this is the rudimentary solution. So this should work, fingers crossed. Like, it's not O1, so it's not going to work well. Let's see. But now that we have that figured out, we can backtrack and do our min stack as well. And then we say, if val is less than so if first things first, if min_stack.length is equal to 0, then we just min_stack.push the value. This time min_stack. And then, so I'm going to try to explain this as I'm going along, but what we're looking at here is we're going to have a pair of essentially a way to track our values as we're progressing. And I think this means like if this algorithm is correct and I'm understanding it correctly, we have a min stack and we have a regular stack. If the min stack is empty, we just consider the element that we're adding into it as the smallest element. Otherwise, if this if the value is less than this dot min stack dot at the 0th position, then we also push this value. So I'm repeating an action here. So I could say this or this. And that gets rid of all that. Cool. So I'm trying to follow that algorithm where I'm maintaining two stacks at once. And does push add to the beginning or end? I believe it does, but I just don't want to make assumptions. Adds to the end of the array. Okay, cool. So we get an element 2. 2 comes in. 2 is automatically pushed to the stack. Then we look at the min stack. The min stack's empty. We push 2 there as well. 3 comes in. We push it to the stack. So the stack is now 3, 2. Our minimum stack is now 2. Okay. And our minimum stack, since we're adding this to the end, we go this dot min stack dot length -1. Because I want... Oh, welcome back, Sigma. We're at 189. Shit fell off after you left. And what does that say? You voted. Congrats. Who'd you vote for? All right. So I need to pop this off the min stack as well. So what we say is let final L stack top equal to that. If stack top is equal to the final element of the array, then we pop this dot in stack as well. And then we return the stack top. So I actually need to say and short circuit the function. We're doing it again. Let's go. All right. And my minimum would be allegedly this guy right here. Ho, 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 ho. Am I stupid? Am I a little dingus? Alright. Alright, case one accepted. Dang, wrong answer. Undefined. So min stack, create the minimum stack, push on 0, push on 1, push on 0. Get my minimum stack. Hey, no fighting in chat. We don't do that here. Settle down. I am the dictator of this stream, and I will have peace among my subjects. Alright. Oh god, I don't care anymore. Yeah. That's right. Yes, that's me. Not here to make friends. I'm here to rule, baby. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Back to counting. All right. Stacked out length minus 1. Stacked out length minus 1. Min stack. Yeah, that looks right. If this dot min dot length less than or equal to, it's always the littlest thing. Let's go. Let's go. Keep those numbers pumping. I want big numbers. All right. Ho, 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 ho. Hell yeah. I'd say that's a pretty good stream. Died in Minecraft twice, solved a couple coding problems. Alright. Boys, it has been real fun being on this little adventure with you. I'm gonna go eat dinner. I hope you are having fun wherever you're at in the world. Feel free to give me a subscribe if you want to see me go at this live again. But otherwise, it's been real, and I will be seeing you around. It's been fun. Ho, 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 ho.